Hello, and welcome to my fifth weekly wrap up. Let's start off by demonstrating the website. So at this point, we had the full integration of the authentication. Everything works right. We got the admin panel, all the extra tables that were added this week are fully populated. If we go to tables that are linked, you can see here there are hyperlinks that'll lead you to the other tables. Relational databases, baby. That's what we're talking about, okay? It's the real deal. And we can even go back and look at the graphs, the beautiful graphs. Oh, yes. Look at this data visualized. How beautiful. If we go into the server, we can go see that if I use the command, just like in the README, Rails DB warehouse show, it'll go ahead and answer all the questions in command form. This is where the task happens. This does a query to the Postgres, which gets all the information and pulls that from the main MySQL database onto the Postgres database, then analyzes that data to answer the questions and return the answers you're seeking. This was definitely the part that took the longest, and we had a couple complications with it, but eventually we got through. A big help this time was using the faker gem, which we implemented heavily into the seed.rb file. But we had issues with the apostrophe. Thankfully, GSUP was there to save us. And so every single thing that could have an apostrophe, we made sure to replace it so that it could properly work in the Postgres database. And I think that's about it. It's funny, because from the client's perspective, this week we did a lot of back-end work and very little front-end work. When the client asks me, hey, what did you do this week? This is the prettiest thing we have to show for it, the chart. Like, when the client asks, show me what you did this week, I'm going to have to say,
look at this graph.